Tomato mushroom onion pizza. Ingredients: 1/3 cup, 1 ounce/30 grams, sliced button or cremini mushrooms. 1/3 cup, 2 ounces/60 grams, halved cherry tomatoes. 1/4 cup, 1 ounce/30 grams, sliced red onions. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, plus more for drizzling. Kosher salt and freshly ground pepper. Half a pound, 250 grams, pizza dough, store-bought or homemade. All-purpose flour for dusting. Half cup, 2 ounces/60 grams, shredded mozzarella cheese. 1 tablespoon fresh oregano leaves. 1 ounce, 30 grams, Parmesan cheese, shaved with a vegetable peeler. Directions: place a pizza stone in the lower third of an oven and preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, toss together the mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, red onions and olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. Shape the pizza dough into a ball. On a lightly floured surface, roll out the dough into a 12-inch, 30-centimeter, round. Top the dough with the mozzarella, followed by the mushrooms, cherry tomatoes and red onions, leaving a 1/2 inch, 12 mm, border uncovered. Season with salt and pepper. Using a pizza peel or rimless baking sheet, transfer the pizza to the preheated stone. Bake until the crust is crisp and well browned, 6 to 8 minutes. Transfer the pizza to a cutting board, top with the oregano and Parmesan, and drizzle with olive oil. Cut into slices and serve immediately. Makes one 12-inch, 30-centimeter, pizza.